Hi team, it's Glenn from Boonies. Today we're going to talk about getting the fit just right on your Rosie Low ankle boots. The Rosie Low ankle boots are a snug fitting ankle boot. They are designed on a smaller last than our mids and talls. We recommend with the Rosie Low ankle boots, if you have a high instep, a wider foot, then to go one size bigger than you would normally go in your Boonies. The easiest way to get your measurement correct in the Rosie Low is to use our millimeter system. What you're looking to do is get your foot measurement in millimeters, cross-reference that on our chart. The goal would be to be 8 millimeters under the inner sole length. This will give you plenty of room for a sock and toe wiggle room. The Rosie Low is one of our top selling ankle boots. If you have any questions in regards to sizing, pop a comment or flick us an email. Otherwise, all sizes available. Check out our website www.boonies.co.nz.